Here is how to create an Among Us account. So first of all, you need to have the Among Us application installed in your device. If not, you need to go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and search for Among Us application. And then tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color, in order to install it on your device. If it's already installed but not updated, you'll see an update button instead of install. Go ahead and select it. Then select play, which is highlighted in blue color, and the game will instantly open on your device. Then after, select I understand. And if you're using Android, this will use your Google Play Games account automatically. You do not need to manually log into your account. But if you do not have Google Play Games on your phone, a pop-up should appear asking you to create an account. And after that, you need to go through age verification. Select your month and your date. Then select your birth year and tap on submit. Then select yes again. If not, you can edit your birth date if it's incorrect. And you'll be instantly logged in to Among Us account. And at first, you'll be taken to Among Us announcements and you can go through it and then you can start playing. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.